Hey there, folks! Your go-to finance guru is back, and today, we're diving deep into something that's gonna make or break a lot of bank accounts out there. Yes, I'm talking about the big buzz in student loans, a major forgiveness opportunity that's about to slip through your fingers if you don't act fast. So buckle up, grab your notepads, and let's break down what you need to know to potentially wipe your student debt clean. Yeah, you heard me right. First off, let's set the scene. The Biden administration, in their quest to mend the broken heart of American education financing, launched an IDR Account Adjustment. This isn't just any policy update, my friends. It's a beacon of hope for those crushed under the weight of student loans. A chance to finally breathe free without the shackles of debt. But here's the kicker. This golden ticket to financial freedom comes with a deadline, April 30th, 2024. Miss this, and you might as well be throwing your chance at loan forgiveness out the window. The Consumer Financial Protection Bureau is practically screaming from the rooftops, warning borrowers to get their acts together. Let's rewind a bit and understand the mess the IDR Account Adjustment is trying to clean up. Lawyers, income-driven repayment plans promised a way out, tying your monthly payments to what you can afford based on your income and family size. Sounds great, right? Except it was a bumpy road riddled with misinformation, mismanagement, and missed opportunities. Imagine being in the shoes of borrowers who were left in the dark or misled. Their dreams of forgiveness fading away with each misstep by loan services. But here's where the plot twists. The IDR Account Adjustment is set to right those wrongs, giving credit for payments and periods that previously went unrecognized. Now, not everyone needs to jump through hoops to benefit from this adjustment. Some of you will see the magic happen automatically, but others, you've got some homework to do. If your loans aren't federally managed or if you're juggling different types of federal loans, the clock's ticking for you to consolidate them through the Federal Direct Consolidation Program before our dreaded deadline. And let's not forget our Parent Plus borrowers. You've got a unique puzzle to solve, but there's a path forward for you too. The message is clear, whether you're looking to kiss your loans goodbye or just inch closer to that sweet forgiveness. Doing nothing is not an option. Listen, I know this is a lot. The world of student loans is a labyrinth, and navigating it can feel like you're facing the Minotaur. But here's the deal, there's real opportunity here. Over $45 billion in forgiveness has already been approved. Real people, real debt, wiped clean. You could be next, but only if you act. So, what's it gonna be? Will you step up and seize this chance, or let it slip away? Remember, the future doesn't wait, and neither does this deadline. April 30th, 2024. Mark it in bold, set alarms, do whatever it takes. This is more than just about loans, it's about taking control, about changing the narrative of your financial story, and I'm here for it, ready to guide you through every step. Together, we can tackle this beast and come out victorious. Stay informed, stay empowered, and let's make those student loans a thing of the past. Until next time, keep fighting the good fight, and remember, your financial freedom isn't just a dream, it's within reach. Peace out.